What I enjoy about real estate is that with every client comes a new challenge. People normally describe me as a easygoing person that listens and that I'm knowledgeable and that I do my homework on what it is that they're looking for. And the thing that they like the most is that very reliable. I'm always there to take their call, their text. Recently, I had a client, foreign investor from Venezuela, and he had a property that he purchased from a bank and bought it at a great price and decided to list it with another agent. It was on the market for 6 months here in Coconut Creek. When we met, I explained to him that I believe I could sell the property in under 30 days by the use of technology, digital marketing, and some of the extra tools that I use on top of your traditional tools. And the promise was kept. In 27 days, it was under contract, and he's very happy that the property is now a liquidated investment. Goals are met, and I feel very grateful that they selected me to get it done for them. My name is Sebastian Fuentes, and I will help you find your spot.